Good morning all. I am Ayu Wulandari. I come from SMPN NEGERI 2 Muncar. And now I want to tell you a story. And the title is Become to be a Bird. Have a nice listen. I am an ordinary girl who only wants freedom. I am tired of living in this chaotic city. Until one day, I was in the middle of a peaceful forest. A clear river surrounded me. When I saw the water, I realized that I have quite beautiful wings. My fur is clean like milk. Many residents there praise my beauty and my name. I felt happy. I flapped my wings. I could even fly. I marched and sang all the way. They adored my voice. Shortly after, I met an ant. I heard the ant scream. I went down and fetched a leaf to help the ant who had fallen in the river water. The ant tried to climb onto the leaf so that he didn't drown and could cross safely. My heart was so calm. I went home and back to the nest. I immediately perched into my nest. I heard a strange sound. Apparently, there was a hunter who was stalking me. I was terrified. The hunter fired his rifle at me. I was shocked and woke up from my dream. Thanks God, it was only a dream.